In the world of construction, Excel trackers have been our go-to for years. But imagine if there was a simpler way to manage your work package. Introducing Sablono Track Free, the game changer for construction package managers. Why stick to static Excel trackers when you can switch to a real-time, connected solution? Whether you're tracking piling, fit-out, facade, prefab, fire stopping, structural work, or the entire project, Sablono Track Free offers an easier, more efficient way to track your project progress directly from the construction site. Say goodbye to manual updates. Replace static spreadsheets and save time reporting from site. Get connected with automatic updates and watch as changes cascade across your project. Experience a new level of control. Seamlessly switch between a bird's-eye view or dive into the details, all in a single glance. No more duplication. Record updates and access progress data on-site via the app and see them reflected instantly on your desktop tracker. Customize your view. Filter by issue, date, team, activity, and more, all within a single, comprehensive tracker. Enhance collaboration. Attach photos, safety documents, and essential notes to keep everyone informed. Try Sablono Track Free today. Tracking your work package just became a whole lot easier.